Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 25. Yesterday we did work where we were adding gigantic numbers together. Today we're going to do some of the same. Our learning goal for today says, I can add two two-digit numbers. And remember, a two-digit number is a number that has tens and ones. Here we go. Now here's our first problem, 29 plus 11. Wowza, those are gigantic numbers to be adding together. Yesterday, we talked about how if we look at the two parts of one of the numbers, that will help us when we're adding. Today, that is exactly what we're working on again. This time, we want to look for the number that's the smallest, and that's the one that we're going to break up into tens and ones. So 29 plus 11. Which one are we going to break up into their parts of tens and ones? Yeah, 11, because 11 is the smallest. So I took out the 10 and the 1 that's hidden inside of 11. Now, I'm going to start with 29, and the first thing I'm going to do is add my 10. So I'll say 29 plus 10. See how it came right out of the number bond? That's what you need to do. We took that first part of 11, which is 10. Now, friend, if you can't add in your head, where in 29 there are two 10s, and if we add another 10, you know that it's 39, then you need to draw a quick picture to help you out. As my friend Reese knows, every time she draws a picture, she gets it right. When she doesn't, it gets a little bit trickier. Right, Reese? Yeah, I thought so. So, she likes to draw a quick picture to do such a nice job. So that's what we're going to do. We'll draw 29, and then we'll draw that 10 that we added in. Now I can use my picture to help me come up with the answer of 39. Am I done adding yet, friends? No way, Jose. I still need to add the other part of 11. Can you put your finger on the other part of 11 that we need to add? You're right. I need to say 39 plus that 1, because there was ones in 11. So 39 plus 1. And since I already have a quick picture started, I could even add in that 1 more. And then I can clearly see that I have 40 in total. So that means 29 plus 11 equals 40. Let's try another one. Okay, we have 12 plus 37. Now, friends, which number are we going to break up into two parts, into tens and ones? Oh, good. I hope that you said 12 because 12 is the smaller number. So that's the one we're going to break up. Now I'm going to start with 37, and I'm going to add one of the parts of 12. So let's add the tens first. Remember, what can help me when I'm adding if I can't do it in my head so fast? Yeah, a picture. So here's a picture of 37. And since I'm adding 10, I'm just going to draw a quick 10 tower. Now, friend, what number is that? You're right, 47. I know because I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, what's the other part that I need to add now? You're right, that 2. So I need to say 47 plus 2, and I went ahead and added them to my picture. 47, 48, 49. Perfecto. So 12 plus 37 equals 49. Okay, friend, it's your turn. I want you to go ahead and get a dry erase board and a marker or your math journal because you're going to try some of these on your own. Press play when you're ready. Okay, so if I have 17 plus 13, can you go ahead and write that down? Will you put the little number bond sign underneath the number that you're going to break apart into tens and ones? Oh, good. Did you do 13? Very nice. Can you go ahead and do the two parts like I did? Now, what's the first number sentence we're going to write now that we've made our number bond with the smallest number? Can you go ahead and write the first number sentence, adding 17 to one of the parts of 13? Okay, this is what I did. I did 17 plus 10. Is that what you did? Oh, good. I like adding the tens and then the ones. I like doing them in that order every single time so I don't forget. Oh, 17 plus 10, that seems tricky. If only there was something I could draw that would help me. Oh yeah, I could draw a picture. That will definitely help me. So here's 17, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a 10. Can you go ahead and write down your good answer, what 17 plus 10 is? Oh, good. Did you get 27? Well done. Okay, now we have to take 27 and we need to add the leftover part of 13. Can you go ahead and write that number sentence? Okay, does yours look like mine? 27 plus 3. Oh, good. That's the other part of 13, so I have to add it. I added the 10s first, now I'm adding the 1s. I'm going to go ahead and add those 3 to my picture, and I'm going to count up 27, 28, 29, 30. So 17 plus 13 must equal 30. Okay, friend, this one you're going to do all by yourself. 27 plus 12. I want you to go ahead and start with that number bond. You're going to need to write 2 number sentences to find the answer. One where you add the 10s and one where you add the 1s. I want you to press pause, do all of your good work, and then press play to check yourself. Go for it. Did you do your good number sentences before you're pressing play? Oh, you better press pause if you haven't finished. Okay, here we go. You should have your answer all together. All right, the answer is 40. Oh, sorry, the answer is 39, my bad. If you didn't get 39, then press pause and go back and see what you did wrong. Okay, here we go. This is what I did. I had 27 plus, I'm going to use the 10 from the 12. I drew a quick picture to help me, so I just have to draw on a 10, and now I can clearly see that it's 37. So far, so good, friend? Oh, good. Now I'm going to say 37 plus the other part of the 12, 2. I'm going to add those 2 to my picture, and that's going to equal 39 altogether. Friend, is that what you got? Oh, you're rocking and rolling. So 27 plus 12 equals 39. What a nice job, friend. On the count of 3, let's give ourselves a super clap. 1, 2, 3. Rock star. All right, we're going to try another one. It's your turn. Go ahead and try it and press play to check yourself. All right. Ooh, I didn't even help you out. Which number bond did you make, from 14 or 26? Yeah, of course we chose 14 because you're right, the smallest number. All right, go ahead and add up. I want you to write 2 number sentences. One where you're adding the 10s and another one where you're adding the 1s. Don't forget, draw a picture if it's going to help you. Okay, here we go, friends. We have 26 plus, how could I finish that number sentence? Yeah, you're right. I'm going to take the part of 14, the 10, so 26 plus 10. I mean, I have no idea what that is, so I'm going to draw a quick picture. Here's 26. Oops, I'm going to add 10 more. Hang on, my picture, I messed up something. Do you see what I did wrong? My picture doesn't really match. 26 plus 10. There we go. That's better, Miss Darwin. I took away one of the 10s because I had too many 10s up there. Okay, so now I can clearly see that I have 36. Now all I have to do is add in the 1s. So I'm going to say 36 plus, 4, because that's the other part of 14. 36 plus 4, I'm going to go ahead and add it to my picture. And then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 14 plus 26 equals 40. How'd you do, friend? Oh, good job. As long as you make sure that you do that good number bond from the smallest number, and then add the 10s, and then add the 1s, you should be good to go. Which is good, because today's learning goal says, I can add 2 two-digit numbers, and that's exactly what we've been doing. Friend, it's your turn to do it all by yourself. For this problem, this is the one you're going to seesaw to your teacher. You're going to do 12 plus 18. Now I'm going to give you a hint. You're going to need to make a number bond with 12. Then, after you've done that, I want you to write 2 number sentences. One where you're adding the 10s, and the other one where you're adding the 1s. Make sure you have all of that good work before you seesaw it to your teacher. Good luck, friend.